티나쌤의 한글톡. 안녕하세요. 티나쌤이에요. Hello everyone, I'm Tina, your Korean teacher. Spring is already here in Korea. As you walk around, you can see beautiful spring flowers starting to bloom. The cold winter is over and warm spring is here. I hope your days will be as warm and happy as spring. Last time, we learned why Hangul was created and who made it. Do you remember? That's right. 세종대왕. King Sejong created Hangul so that everyone could easily learn to read and write. Before we start today, let's quickly review the vowels and consonants we learned last time. First, vowels. Vowels were created using three basic shapes: sky, earth, and human. Now repeat after me. These are the basic vowels. A, O, U, U, I, E, we, we. Now the compound vowels. Ya, 여, 요, 유, 예, 와, 왜, 워, 왜, 의. Great job! Next, consonants. Consonants were inspired by the shapes of the mouth, tongue, and throat. Let's read them slowly together. 기역, 니은, 디귿, 리을, 미음, 비읍, 시옷, 이응, 지읒, 치읒, 키읒, 티읒, 피읒, 히읗. And the double consonants. 쌍기역, 쌍디귿, 쌍비읍, 쌍시옷, 쌍지읒. Very good. If you don't remember, that's okay. You can just watch the last video one more time. And don't forget to try listening to this lesson in Korean too. Today, we are going to learn about how Hangul is structured with initial, medial, and final sounds. And we'll also study how to pronounce basic vowels correctly. Are you ready to study Korean with me today? Let's get started! Look at the screen carefully. Which one do you think is written in Hangul? Take a guess. The answer is this one. This is Hangul, but it looks a little different from English, right? Why is that? In English, words are written left to right in a straight line, like apple. Have you ever played with building blocks? Hangul works just like that. We combine sounds together like pieces of a block. Let's see how we write apple in Hangul. We put the sounds together to make one syllable. For example, 시옷 and 아 come together to make 사. Then 기역 and 와 come together to make 과. So 사과 means apple in Korean. Each Hangul letter usually has 2 or 3 parts. We call them the initial sound, medial sound, and final sound. In Korean, we say 초성 for the initial sound, 중성 for the medial sound, and 종성 for the final sound. The initial sound 초성 is the first sound. It's usually a consonant. The medial sound 중성 comes in the middle. It's always a vowel. The final sound 종성 comes at the end. It's a consonant too. Let's look at some examples. The word be is made of 2 sounds. 비읍 is the initial sound and 이 is the medial sound. Put them together and you get be. Next, the word 강 has 3 sounds. 기역 is the initial sound. 아 is the medial sound. And ieung is the final sound. Together they make 강. Now let's look at the word nun. It's also made of three parts. Niun is the initial sound, u is the medial sound, and another niun is the final sound. When we put them together, we get nun. This is how Hangul makes a block. The final sound at the bottom is called 받침, 받침. Here's something interesting. Vowels can make sounds by themselves, but to make a full letter, they need help from the consonant ieung. Let me show you an example. Let's look at the word uyu. Uyu means milk in Korean. This word has two vowel sounds, u and u. But in Korean, a vowel can make a letter by itself. It needs a little help. So we use the consonant ieung to help. U is made of ieung and u, and u is made of ieung and u. Here, ieung doesn't make a sound. It just gives a place for the vowel to stand. There's one more rule. The direction of writing is also important in Korean. Remember this. Hangul is written left to right and top to bottom. Let's look at the word Hangul. Hangul is written with two syllables, Han and Gul. First, let's look at Han. It has three parts. Hyut is the initial sound, we say 초성 in Korean. A is the medial sound, 중성. And ni은 is the final sound, 종성. When we put them together, we get Han. We write this from left to right. Next, let's look at 글. It also has three parts. 기역 is the initial sound, 으 is the medial sound, and 리을 is the final sound. This time, we write from top to bottom. So, Hangul is made of two blocks, and each block is built with sounds. Now you can see how Korean letters are put together. Does it make a bit more sense now? This time, let's study vowels more closely. In a Korean letter, vowels always go in the middle. They are the core sound of each syllable. Vowels sound different depending on your mouth shape and tongue position. So how we move our mouth is really important. Today, we'll learn 10 basic vowels called 단모음 in Korean. A, O, U, I, 에, 왜, 위. Let's practice one by one. Repeat after me and look at the mouth shape. A. To write A, draw a vertical line from top to bottom, then a short line from left to right. To pronounce it, open your mouth wide and lower your tongue. Say it with me. A. One more time. A. A. Next vowel is A. To write A, draw a short line from left to right, then a vertical line from top to bottom. When you pronounce A, your mouth is a little less open than A, and your lips don't move forward. Let's say it together. A, A, A. Next is O. To write O, draw a short line from top to bottom, then a horizontal line from left to right under it. Round your lips like a circle when saying it. Try it. O, O. One more time. O. Next is U. To write U, draw a horizontal line from left to right, then draw a short vertical line down from the center. Your lips are also round like O, but your chin moves slightly up. Say it with me. U. 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 Next one is U. Write U with a single line from left to right. Keep your lips flat and horizontal. Your tongue doesn't touch your teeth. U. 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 Next one is E. Write E with one line going from top to bottom. Your mouth is a bit open and your tongue touches just behind your lower front teeth. Say it with me. E, E, E. Next is E. Write a vertical line, then a short line from left to right, and another vertical line from top to bottom. Open your mouth and lower your tongue. Repeat after me. 에, 에, 에. Next is 에. Draw a short horizontal line from left to right, then add 2 vertical strokes going down. 에 sounds very close to 에, but your mouth is slightly less open. Let's try. 에, 에, 에. This time, please listen carefully. 에, 에. Can you hear the difference between 에 and 에? It's hard, right? Even native Koreans often pronounce them the same, so don't worry. It's okay to say them the same. But when writing, it's important to use the correct letter. Next is 왜. To write 왜, draw a short line from top to bottom and a horizontal line from left to right. After that, a vertical line from top to bottom. To pronounce it, round your lips like O, but make her sound similar to 에. Repeat after me. 왜, 왜, 왜. Next is we. To write we, draw a horizontal line from left to right, then short line from top to bottom. After that, a vertical line goes down. Push your lips forward and say your sound like E. Let's try it. We. Let's go over all 10 basic vowels one more time together. 아, 어, 오, 우, 으, 이, 에, 왜, we. Great job! These are the basic vowels. When you pronounce them, your mouth shape stays the same from beginning to end. As I said earlier, the consonant ieung is silent when it comes before a vowel. So whether you add ieung or not, the sound is the same. For example, 아 and 아 sound the same. And sound the same. And the same goes for 오, 우, 으, 이, 에, 왜, we. They all have the same pronunciation because ieung doesn't make a sound at the beginning of a syllable. But if you look at closely, the position of ieung changes depending on the vowel. For vertical vowels like a and ieung goes on the left side. For horizontal vowels like o, and u, ieung goes on the top. Now let's practice some real Korean words made only with vowels and the consonant ieung. These are actual Korean words. Let's say them together. 이 means this when pointing to a person or a thing, like in this person, 이 사람. It also means number 2. Let's say it together. 이. O is the number 5 in Korean. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Say it with me. 오. Next is we. We means up or above. For example, 책은 위에 있어요. It means the book is on top. It's also the same of a body organ, the stomach. Let's say it. we. Next is 오이. 오이 means cucumber in Korean. Let's say it together. 오이. See, even with just basic vowels and ieung, you can make real Korean words. Pretty interesting, right? Today, we practiced all 10 basic vowels in detail. We looked at how to move our mouth, where to place our tongue, and how to write each vowel. Basic vowels make just one sound. Your mouth shape stays the same while saying them. In the next video, we'll learn the basic Korean consonants. With the vowels you learned today and the consonants you will learn next time, you will be able to make simple Korean words. You did a great job today! Please review what we learned and don't forget to watch this video in Korean too. It's coming up soon. Bye! 안녕!